Raj, yesterday I said one sentence in English and everyone stared at me.
Wait, what did you say?
I said, "Give me pen."
Oh no.
Oh no is right.
You forgot just one tiny word and the whole sentence sounded broken.
One tiny word changed everything?
One tiny word changes everything. And today, I am going to give you 50 of those tiny words, the ones that make or break every sentence you speak.
50 words? Raj, that sounds like homework already.
It is not homework, it's more like a cheat code.
A cheat code?
Yes, these 50 words appear in almost every English sentence ever spoken. Movies, songs, job interviews, WhatsApp messages, everything.
So if I master these 50,
You will suddenly understand 90% of what people are actually saying to you.
wait, seriously? Just 50 words gets me that far?
Seriously. Stay till the end because the last one, word number 50, is the one that trips up almost everyone, even advanced speakers.
Ooh, now I'm nervous.
Don't be. By the end of this video, you will use all 50 without even thinking. Let's go. Anjali, imagine this. You walk into a job interview and you say, I am manager at company.
That sounds incomplete.
It is incomplete. It's missing tiny words, and in English, missing them sounds unprofessional, even careless.
So, what should I say instead?
I am the manager at a company.
Wait, why the for manager but a for company?
Great catch. The points to something exact. There is only one manager, you. But a is general, any company, not a specific one we already know.
Oh, so the is a spotlight and a is just pointing at the crowd.
I love that. Exactly. Now, an is the twin of a. Same job, but it goes before vowel sounds. An apple, an hour.
And is.
Is connects everything. The coffee is hot. It is Monday.
And it?
It replaces a thing, not a person. Watch. This coffee is cold. It is disgusting.
5 words, and already my interview sounds 10 times better.
Anjali, have you ever read a message and had no idea who they were talking about?
Every single day. My family group chat is chaos.
That chaos disappears with 5 words. Watch. I is you talking about yourself. I am tired.
You is the person listening. You look tired too.
He replaces a man's name, so you don't repeat it 50 times. Karan is late. He always is.
She does the same for a woman. Priya runs this cafe. She makes the best coffee.
And we
We is you and me, together as a team.
see how smooth that feels? No repeating names, no confusion.
My group chat needed this 5 years ago.
New situation. Someone asks you, where are my friends?
Um, Friend sitting, corner table, 9 o'clock, go class.
That sounds like a robot with no oil.
Fix me, please.
They are sitting in the corner on that table. They arrived at 9 o'clock and now they are going to class.
Wow, same information, but now it sounds human.
They replaces a group. In means inside something. On means on top of something. At gives an exact point, time, or place. To shows direction.
So these 5 words are basically GPS for sentences?
GPS for sentences. I'm stealing that line.
Raj, once someone offered me cake and I just said, no want.
Oof, that sounds almost angry.
I know. I felt so bad after.
Let's fix that forever. Do you have a fork? Yes, I have one.
Do you want cake? I do want cake actually, but I do not want the icing.
See that? But softens everything. It shows a small, polite contrast instead of a flat rejection.
Tea or coffee?
Or gives a choice. And choices always sound more polite than commands.
So instead of no want, I could have said,
I would not like cake, but thank you so much.
that sounds like a completely different person said it.
Imagine you're at a networking event and someone asks about your cafe.
Cafe good, coffee good.
Anjali, no. We can do so much better.
Teach me.
This cafe was built by two friends from Delhi. They serve coffee with fresh milk, and all of us love it here.
Whoa, that sounds like a magazine article.
By shows who did the action. From shows origin. With shows togetherness. All means everyone.
And as?
She works as a manager. It shows a role.
5 words, and suddenly I sound like I run a business empire.
Anjali, we are halfway. 25 words down.
Only 25 more? I actually feel confident right now.
That's the feeling I want. Let's keep going. Let's order just one slice. A single number.
I would like a coffee too. A polite request.
I will pay today. A decision about the future.
Can you get the bill? To obtain something.
Let's go outside. Movement away from here.
Raj, I just noticed something. These words aren't just grammar, they're basically politeness settings.
Exactly. Turn them on and people treat you differently.
Sometimes I ask questions and people think I'm annoyed, but I'm just curious.
That's usually a tone problem, but these 5 words help a lot too. What is your plan? Asking for information.
Who is coming with us? Asking about a person.
Which road should we take? Asking someone to choose.
If it rains, we'll stay inside. A condition. Something depends on something else.
I am so happy right now. Adding feeling or showing a result.
These questions sound gentle now, not like an interrogation.
Curiosity, not accusation. That's the secret. Anjali, have you ever gotten a message like, come house talk you?
Every week, and I have to guess what they mean.
Let's stand up and walk around. Upward movement.
Let's go out for air. Leaving or the outside.
Tell me about your day. The topic of something.
This is my favorite lesson. Belonging to me.
Thanks for practicing with me. Myself, receiving the action.
So that confusing text should have been.
Come to my house. I want to talk to you about something.
Suddenly it doesn't sound like a threat.
They left their notebooks, belonging to more than one person.
It's her cafe.
That laptop is his, belonging to a male.
And the final word?
Word 50 is say. Simple, right? But here's the trap. People confuse say with tell.
Oh no, I do that constantly.
Quick rule: say something, tell someone something. You say a word, but you tell a person.
He said hello. Not he said me hello.
Perfect. You just avoided the most common mistake in this entire list.
50 words, Raj. We actually did it.
And you used every single one naturally without stopping.
Hey Raj, are you busy?
Hi Anjali, a little. What's up?
I have a question about the report.
Sure, what do you need?
Could you tell me which file has the numbers?
It's on my desk, the one with the blue cover. Would you like me to get it for you?
That would be great. Thank you.
So, do you think we should finish this today?
If we work fast, yes, I think so.
Great, let's go then.
Did you notice? We just used almost 20 of these words without even thinking about them.
Quick round. I say broken English, you fix it fast. Me go store yesterday.
I went to the store yesterday.
She have a car.
She has a car.
He is go office.
He is going to the office.
Give me pen.
Could you give me a pen, please?
That's the one that started this whole video.
Full circle moment.
So here's the truth, Anjali. Nobody is born knowing these 50 words.
But once you know them, you can't unsee them.
They're in every song, every movie, every conversation you'll ever have.
So here's your challenge. Comment one sentence below using at least 5 of today's words.
We personally read every comment, and if you make a mistake, we'll fix it for you. Gently, no judgment.
This channel is a judgment-free zone.
If this video helped you, hit like. It genuinely helps more learners find this lesson.
And subscribe, because next lesson, we're tackling the sentence mistake that even confident speakers make without realizing it.
You do not want to miss that one.
See you in lesson 8.
Bye bye.